So we want to uppercase everything in the A column. We have like Andy or Brandy here. We want it all caps, but anytime we edit it, anytime we go Fred, we want it all caps automatically, no matter what we type. So let's go over to extensions, AppScript, and do this. Over here, we're going to write function onEdit with capital E, and we're going to have an event here as a variable. Now, why we do onEdit is this is a built-in function inside of AppScript that allows us to do something anytime a user edits a cell. So even if we're doing like done or pending, even if we're changing the text in the cell or deleting a little bit of text in the cell, we are going to execute this function. We need to get a row. We need to know what row we're on. So we're going to event.range.getRow. Variable call, or short for column, equals event.range.getColumn. And now we're going to say if the row is greater than 1, because we want to do this only when we're not editing the header, and column is equal to 1, meaning only the first column. We're not going to use A here. We're going to use number 1 in this programmatic way. We're also going to check one thing, that there is an event.value. That event.value is the value of the cell that we're changing. Why we do that is because if we're deleting something, we don't want to uppercase nothing. Okay, so we have our conditional here, correct? If all of this is true, we're going to do something, which is we're going to do SpreadsheetApp.getActiveSpreadsheet, getActiveSheet. Make sure we have those parentheses there. We're going to do .getRange. And inside of the range, we're going to do row, comma, call, or column. We're going to do setValue. We're going to set the value to event.value.toUpperCase. This uppercase is going to be the function that we call to turn all of those characters into uppercase. So we're going to save this. Now we're going to go back and just check. This Mario Lopez, do we delete something and does it change? Yes, it does. Fred again. And we hit enter and it changes to all uppercase. So anytime we edit anything in the first column, even John Smith to John Smith's, or Fred married John to John, all of this is going to be edited to be all uppercase no matter what. Pretty cool automation, right? You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have 2 options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.